This may look like your average American warehouse, but Agility Robotics claims it's actually the world's first factory for humanoid robots. Let's go check it out. Peggy Johnson is Agility's CEO.
Well, the biggest tailwind out there is the large labor gap. There's over 1 million jobs in the logistics area alone that are going unfilled. Robots like Digit can step in and take those tasks off their hands.
I do wonder about that. People might be looking at Digit and saying, wait a minute, that's my job.
Well, what we're seeing is this is typically a part of the job that they don't like. We can offload that, free up that human to have more cycles in their day to learn new skills.
Adam, I regret to inform you that your role is being replaced by autonomous robots. It wasn't my decision.
What am I supposed to do now? This warehouse, this routine, it's all I've known for a decade.
Meet Digit, the robot replacing me. Stands at roughly 6 feet tall, built with a lightweight but durable frame. It can lift 35 pounds with ease, move pallets, sort packages, and operate without rest. No breaks, no fatigue, no vacation days.
Losing a job isn't just losing income. It's losing rhythm, identity. The thing that tells you who you are when the sun rises. He thought about his family, the mortgage, the dreams he once had but never chased because he needed stability. And now, stability was gone. He wasn't just asking, what job do I find next? He was asking, who am I now?
Agility Robotics didn't set out to destroy livelihoods. Their mission has always been clear: build robots that work alongside people, not against them.
Hopeful, they envision a future where humans focus on creativity, leadership, design, and understanding, while robots take on repetitive, physically demanding tasks. A future where work becomes healthier, safer, and more human.
But missions and impacts are not always the same. And even the noblest innovation can create shockwaves no company can fully control. Amazon's long-term plan has been unfolding quietly for years. Every robot added to the floor, every automated system, every new partnership, it all pointed toward one outcome: full-spectrum logistics automation. From warehouses to delivery routes, from sorting to packing, machines doing what humans once did. And while Amazon insists this evolution creates new roles, the truth is unavoidable.
Not everyone will transition into their fancy new world.
Then came the global labor shortage, rising demand, supply chain pressure, and suddenly automation wasn't just innovation, it was necessity. Adoption accelerated. What experts predicted would take 10 years happened in 2. Warehouses transformed overnight.
My story isn't unique. It's happening everywhere. To people in warehouses, factories, offices, even creative fields. The question isn't whether automation is coming, it's here.
This moment in history will be remembered as the turning point where humans either became victims of automation or leaders of a new era. And people like Adam found themselves standing outside the gates of progress, wondering when exactly the world sped ahead without them. For millions of workers, this moment is a crossroads. The old world, stable, predictable, physical labor is fading. The new world demands digital skills, adaptability, constant reinvention. It's not fair, but it is real. And while companies automate to survive, workers must evolve to do the same. Not because they failed, but because the world changed the rules. And everyone is being asked to change with it. New era, Digit may lift boxes, sort packages, and work without rest, but there is something it will never have: vision, creativity, courage, the ability to decide who you become. This is your moment to evolve, to rise, to rewrite your story before someone or something writes it for you.